Hey guys. Alright, so I've lost count of how many DMs I get asking about AI trading bots, and honestly, most people are getting absolutely wrecked out there. They're falling for platforms that look professional on the surface, but turn out to be complete scams. I've been there myself, got burned pretty bad actually, and I spent like 2 years figuring out what's real and what's fake in this space. So yeah, around 8 months back, I finally found TradeSmart, and it's legitimately the only platform that's delivered consistent results without any shady behavior. Everything functions properly, it's straightforward and transparent. No red flags. The platforms earn my trust through solid technology, updated AI models, and multi-chain network support. Okay, so this is the main page. First thing I need to choose my working preset. There's safe, optimal, and aggressive options. This determines how aggressively the bot trades, my risk level, profit expectations, and how much capital's needed. Just pick whatever feels comfortable. Okay, then I'm selecting the AI neural network, which AI engine's handling everything. And from what I've tested, auto-select is definitely the way to go. It picks the best one consistently, and I've never had to manually change it. Next is investment amount, whatever you're comfortable with for the session. Alright, then comes network selection, based on congestion and what the fees look like. So I choose whichever has lower costs or just leave it auto-select. And final step, hit Start AI, which launches the process. So now I'm basically just monitoring it, just gonna fast forward this part for you. Alright, so a few minutes passed and I've stopped the session. And here's a breakdown. My total balance, profits earned, trades executed, win rate percentage, and session time. There's also a console showing every move the bot made during that run. So now I just need to select the tokens and put in my address. 1 second. Okay, now I'm hitting confirm withdrawal. Alright, processing. Perfect. Tokens heading to my wallet. Okay, so while I'm waiting for those to appear in my balance, let me share what I learned from my mistakes and why this is the only AI platform that's actually trustworthy. So here's my story. The worst platform I tried was one that seemed super professional, had great marketing, influencers promoting it, everything looked legit. I deposited funds, ran it for 2 weeks, dashboard showed like 40% profits, and I was pumped. Then I tried to withdraw and suddenly needed to complete some trading volume requirement that was never mentioned anywhere. Reached out to support, got ghosted completely, lost everything. That experience taught me what to look for in scams versus real platforms. TradeSmart is the complete opposite. No hidden requirements, no sudden rule changes, withdrawals work exactly as they should. I've done maybe 22 withdrawals over 8 months, and it's been flawless every time. That reliability exists because it's a legitimate service, not a theft operation. And here's something critical. The platform shows you when trades lose crypto, not just wins. Scam platforms only show success because they're manipulating data. I've had losing sessions here, and the console shows exactly what happened, which trades didn't work, why positions were closed. Honestly, if you're still on the fence about whether AI trading is even real or just all scams, I was in that exact mindset 8 months ago after losing tokens multiple times. But there's a difference between the garbage out there and something that actually works, and I'm glad I found this before giving up completely. Link to this AI bot is in the description, and I'll pin it in the comments so you don't have to search. Appreciate you watching this, and if it helps clarify things, go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you want more honest reviews, and drop a comment telling me your experience. Have you been scammed before? What happened? Would genuinely like to hear your stories.